not only in Delhi but also in whole India exactly. The people are there, actually they are having a great talent of the acting, right? The people have the acting skill, the acting knowledge actually I'm talking about. So everybody, maximum of you actually would be making, you know, reels on the Instagram or anywhere else exactly, and everybody is, you know, expert in making the reels and all. Just I want to tell all of you, right, when you come on the stage to feel yourself as an actor. When you just feel yourself as an actor, you're going to really do the better way actually, because in speaking we don't need only the language like words and essays and paragraph, and not only the words, not only the, you know, letters, just we need also the expressions, just we need also the smiles, just we need also eye contact, just we need also the hand gestures, just we need also lots of things while speaking exactly. That's why I need to tell all of you, you have to use in a proper way your body language when you come on the stage. I'll call you everybody on the stage actually for speaking here on the stage, and you have to first of all explain yourself about your introduction, about the classes, what the class today, is it practical classes or is this presentation classes, what type class is it actually. So you have to tell everything in a proper way. And next thing is that I just saw many of you were practicing here while, you know, sitting here. Someone was, you know, laying down there exactly, someone was sitting there, someone was talking there, many groups are there, one hour alone are there actually. But let me tell you the best way to practice before here actually I'm talking about. Listen, speaking is done not alone exactly, right? If you do it alone exactly, it will be called madness little bit, people will call it now. It is done with the friends, it is done alone sometimes also in the room if nobody is there exactly. So in the class if you are sitting now, please try to practice with your friends, because when your friends actually is there before you and he's talking to you, she's talking to you, at the time you will have a great confusion also, and the way of speaking also will be there, and also there will be a great tendency to reply for all the questions. For example, if I'm talking here alone, so I can speak anything, no care about it actually anything. But if I'm talking with my friends, so at the time I can appraise myself, I can think about myself that what type of mistakes I'm making now here. So right, for example, I'm asking the questions, so this time he will be thinking about me, because when you learn the English from here, you go outer from here, then you talk with the people, not alone, right? So here we are learning first of all English, means we have to talk normally, we have to reply normally exactly, at least we could understand the sentence the person who is speaking in before us, in front of us exactly, right? For example, I'm asking the questions, so is he getting my points, am I getting his points, am I able to reply his all the, you know, questions, is he able to reply for all my questions? So if we are able to reply our, you know, our questions actually, it means that we are able to speak little bit on the topics. For example, if I just ask one of you, please, hello, please tell me, did you come yesterday? So he will reply, yes, I came yesterday. What did I teach you? You will say, sir, you taught us yesterday, it was cooking etiquette, right? These are some normal talkings and questions actually which I'm asking now here. But maximum what happens when I ask the questions, you get confused, you do not reply for that exactly. It means that the best way to speak now, come to the conclusion that ask the question, reply for that exactly, and say someone ask question to you and you reply for that, and you ask the question and the person will reply to you exactly. Getting all of you? So you have to ask to the people, talk to the people. And personally if I say to all of you, right, sit down two people please, and with different friends, not same friends. आप सेम फ्रेंड्स के साथ मत बैठा करिए, डिफरेंट फ्रेंड के साथ बैठा करिए, क्योंकि जब हम अपने ही फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठते तो वही सब बातें होती हैं, भाई यहाँ खिचड़ी हो गया, वहाँ गड्ढे में गिर गया, यहाँ इसको चोरी हो गया, उसको लेकर भाग गया, उससे बात कर रहा था, इससे बात कर, इसका ब्रेकअप हो गया, यही सब बात होने वाली है. When you sit down with different people exactly, you have lots of things to talk. आपके पास बहुत चीज़ें टॉकिंग करने के लिए होती हैं, पूरा एकदम स्टार्टिंग होता है, नए सिरे से जानने के लिए होता है. इसलिए क्लासेस में मुझे लगता है कि जब भी आप बैठे अपने दोस्त के साथ नहीं, किसी दूसरे के साथ, ताकि उनके साथ कंफर्टेबल होने में, जैसे वी आर कंफर्टेबल विद आवर ओन एग्जैक्टली टू हुम वी नो, हम उनके साथ कंफर्टेबल होते हैं जिनको जानते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर यहाँ पर मैं आपको बुलाऊँ कम ऑन द स्टेज, तो आप इजीली नॉर्मली बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर अगर कोई नया टीचर स्टेज पर आकर यहाँ पर आपके बुलाए कि प्लीज़ वेलकम ऑन द स्टेज एंड स्पीक, उस समय आपकी हार्ट बीट और फास्ट हो रहेगी, बिकॉज यू कंफर्टेबल विद मी, नॉट विद दैट स्ट्रेंजर, नॉट विद दैट न्यू टीचर. Just like that exactly I'm talking about. Sit down with the new friends exactly. At that time आप कंफर्टेबल थोड़ा सा नहीं रहेंगे, फिर धीरे धीरे करके उनमें भी हो जाएंगे. ऐसे करके बहुत लोगों के साथ बैठिए, बातें करिए, इंटरेक्ट करिए, चैट करिए, एक्सचेंज करिए अपने वर्ड्स को, राइट, उनसे बातें करिए, उनके बातों को जानने की कोशिश करिए, किस तरीके से कोई व्यक्ति बोल रहा है, डिलीवर कर रहा है, कैसे बातें कर रहा है. सब कुछ अगर करेंगे तो इट विल बी रियली ग्रेट इन्हेंसमेंट इन योर माइंड, इन योर टॉकिंग, इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. That's why we need to understand that. Sit down with the different friends exactly. Next thing is that पंक्चुअलिटी एंड डिसिप्लिन को थोड़ा फॉलो करने की कोशिश करिए। जैसे